Hi beautiful people, welcome to this week's video. As you can see from the title, I am not at home right now, so I have come back to university. All I'm going to be doing online class. I'm going to physically be here because it's more convenient, it's easier reading and all those things. I'm going to be here for like a month. Yeah, so there's a lot of that in this place. The video for today is just going to be showing you the before and after, how disorganized the place looks, and after I touch it with my magical hands. Yeah, so I hope I'm going to be consistent coming forward. And yeah, let me just show you one more place, the balcony. Come in. Yeah, so let me show you the balcony. I think the camera can't catch it well, but it is really dirty. Yeah, I see how dirty it is, the rain of all these months. This is what I came with, plus those. I'll show you how dirty this place is. I haven't been here for so many months. See, it doesn't show as well on the camera, but it's really still not showing well. Yeah, it's really dirty everywhere. It's covered in dust, even cobwebs. I actually came here a couple of months ago to pick some of my things, and I remember cleaning this table. But clearly a lot of work is still needed. I think I'm going to just dust some of these things because they were kept properly, so I'm just going to cover them up. I mean, clean them up at least. Actually, things are fine. This is sugar, and I'm going to try to keep them where they're supposed to be. Guys, I wanted you to see how I packed when we were going home. So my clothes were already hung, and then I literally threw a bed sheet over and put a safe how do you call those things again? I forgot it. Then I wrapped the rest in a bed sheet, and then I think I put some stuff there. Then the blankets are these ones, pillows. Oh, I forgot to put on the light. Isn't that cute, people? These lights had stopped working months ago, and if I almost threw them, but God is so good, I kept them. I'm still thinking about where I should put them. Yes, I cleaned the table. Then where I keep the books. Now the balcony. You can see it's clean. Yeah. Outside is still empty. That's basically it. Okay, the last thing is the wardrobe. I didn't do anything too serious. I didn't do anything too serious for the wardrobe, to be honest. Meanwhile, I forgot to say anything about my carpet. What actually happened is my carpet went missing. I know that sounds weird, but yeah, so this place is just plain. It's not a big deal. If I get it today or tomorrow, I will put it and update you guys. I'll put it in a video, but I don't think that's going to happen. So bye bye. So people, this is where this video ends. I pray that I'm going to be consistent in posting videos, but if I am not, I hope you guys understand why. Stay safe, and yeah, stay safe. Bye people. Oh, and subscribe if you haven't. Feel free to say something in the comment section.